Name every ring.
Name every final boss theme.
Don't ask.
I had to shake the Wii remote to... Wait, what? Sorry. What was the question?
Nothing. Never mind.
What was the question?
What?
Nothing.
I don't remember. I was drinking water. My memory... I used all of my brain power to drink that water.
Black out when I drink
I
water.
pretty much did. I like closed my eyes. And I was just thinking like, wow. Fucking
Water.
amazing. Absolutely incredible.
Remember when I was like talking about how good Sonic Mania is? Because it does show don't tell?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all I gotta say.
This game wants you to understand every mechanic right off the bat.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna throw you to the easiest level that uses like just the drift. And that's it. Like it's gonna be like, I'm excited to see what this game has to offer.
At least you're being rewarded for it all.
How?
Like medals.
You're getting medals,
Cool.
which unlock you new hats and costumes to wear.
Moon medals.
And yeah, so when you actually throw Cappy, you can, you know,
When I throw Cappy?
yeah, they do different things because you know that's what
I
the
missed the
medals
B
are for.
button. Here, let me move. Oh, it's not gonna let me Sonic boost.
Okay, this game is. I can't even meme anymore. This game's incredible.
Yeah, the 5 frames they did for turning him. What?
Nope. Cut the recording. Nope, we're done.
What?
Just to make sure you're in it for the long run.
It's like, okay, here's the mechanics. Are you still?
Are you still there? No.
Okay, now I got a level.
I like that it tells you the time you need to get an S, like right on the top, rather than just like figuring it out.
That's nice. I think that makes this the best Sonic game.
Undeniably. Yeah, fuck those speed things. I don't need to go fast. I'm
Wiggle waggle.
I'm already fast.
This game.
Level up?
Wait, Sonic has. Is this like an RPG? This like, can you put skill
after you
points
get-
into dexterity?
So
Like,
you legit, like no cap,
What?
level up, and you get new abilities for your new moves for your werewolf Sonic.
Oh my gosh.
the last one should just be called Vor. The last ability. I hope the audience can hear the Wii remote like waggling around.
I hate this so much.
Where's your drift?
I don't need it.
Stop going so fast!
Why would
This
I?
isn't how the game was meant to be played. Look, now you hit a fucking wall. Sonic's nose is fucking broken.
Oh
You
my
got
god,
bonked.
I've never felt worse.
Now you got a concussion.
Gotta go fast. Can you just crawl through the
I'm
rest?
calling for the rest of the level.
Sonic actually broke his fucking legs.
Except you're not gonna get an S.
It's fine. He's at least gonna get a B.
No, not.
Not even.
Stop talking.
You would have gotten an S. You would have gotten an
No,
S.
there was A. It was the other one.
You keep boosting too much, right? You need to improve your Sonic tech.
What?
The Sonic tech leaves a lot to be
What
desired.
do
You gotta
mean?
drift more.
Yeah, you gotta drift more, and you're using your boost too often, and it's actually throwing you all over the place. So you actually have to space your drifts.
I'm skipping this cutscene.
No,
There's no
no,
way to skip
no,
the
no,
cutscene.
no, no,
There's
no.
zero way to
I
skip
want to
cutscene.
see whatever's
I'm
happening.
pressing every button right now.
Well, you're not holding the power button. Yeah, exactly.
Why is that not in line? The letters for real weren't in line.
No.
Sorry, I just hit the Doritos bag. Sorry, this is a real gamer house. So, this is just a world where just dudes walk around and talk to these fucking anthropomorphic creatures.
Yeah.
Like, this just happens.
That's why in Sonic Forces they finally stopped using people.
Really?
Yeah.
That's...
The OCs. Because they have a ton of them.
I want ice cream.
I do too.
Who the fuck needs memories when you got that delicious cherry on top?
Exactly.
I thought he was gonna eat it. I thought he was just gonna straight up throw it back.
No, he's like those ice cream people with like the sticks that like give it to you. But
Oh, here you go.
The game designers had to animate this for a Sonic game.
They had to imagine sitting down for work and they're like, "Yeah, we need you to make an ice cream cone model."
Like, and then just copy it.
Yeah, just
And they're like,
no, like how many do we make? Like, we need a couple? Like, no, just one.
yeah.
Just one.
And you don't need a program physics to do it.
No, just yeah.
It'll just be a solid mass.
Yeah, no, we don't need any sort of anything for it. Just one ice cream cone.
So yeah, you would normally walk around town and find people to talk to, and so are you instead.
Why did they remove it?
That's a very good question, Dominic.
Would you rather spend another 3 hours
Just walking around town.
walking around?
Honestly, I think
Honestly, yeah.
that was the what?
I
Really?
would. Yeah. This is the worst part. Because the other ones you can, like, there's combos to do when you're Werewolf Sonic, and apparently the beat 'em up is actually not too terrible. Like, apparently it isn't a terrible game if you play on any other console.
Wow, none of these guys just want to talk to you at all.
Yeah, I'm just spamming it. I'm not even reading. Eventually I'll get something to do. Who thought Sonic...
Sorry, all he knows is I don't know you. Can't help you. Fuck. Don't use my
Oh
preoccupied.
my
Maybe you can help
gosh.
out too. What?
No one wants to talk.
Hey, Seb, I want to know the story.
No, you don't.
I was gonna do a voice, but it just kind of came out as a.
Nice. Dude, I don't...
You have come this. I feel like it's like Sonic that says, "Hurry, hurry, hurry!" Shut the fuck up. Tell me what I need to
I'm
know.
just role-playing. Now I found the Sacred Shrine.
Nice.
Oh, now I can go there.
Perfect.
I really like it myself. Seb!
I don't give a shit about whether...
I give a shit! I want to know what the bronze medal does!
It's a sun tablet.
What?
Huh?
Yeah, Dom, you would have known if you were read it.
Yeah, I would have known if you weren't pressing fucking A.
Look, I'm just trying to roleplay Sonic.
Don't ever say that again.
Hey, gotta go there.
Oh, I was like, why does my Wiimote feel like that? It's because it has a GameCube analog stick.
Is it bad?
Suboptimal.
Do you want to change it back?
It's fine. I'm playing Sonic. Go to Sundor.
Sundor.
Cool.
Oh my god, is this Kingdom Hearts?
Sure.
That's like a Kingdom Hearts, like...
I love Kingdom Hearts so much.
Yeah, we only play good games though, so I mean...
Yeah. Okay, you know what? This is a great game. I only play good games.
We only play good games. Like, that's it. This game, absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah.
The only
Okay.
game you'll ever see on this channel, you know what? I decree it now. For the history of this channel, however long it goes on, we will only play good games.
Yes.
Forever. We will
Yes.
never play a suboptimal game.
Like, we're not gonna play The Witcher.
No, fuck that game. Absolute dog shit, alright? Absolute.
I actually heard it had like 1 star out of like 60.
Yeah, and then they made a fucking TV show about it that nobody fucking liked. Not a single person.
They took it off.
Yeah.
They took it
They
down.
should have at least.
Yeah, they should have, but they have it up there as like a joke. Like, they think it's funny.
Yeah.
So do I.
Sonic is a pacifist in this game. Wait, why is the S for this 3 minutes and 50 seconds?
Oh, this is gonna be a long.
Oh, this is gonna be a long...
nap thing.
How was I supposed to know that I was gonna go horizontal? They didn't teach me about this.
It wasn't in the tutorial levels. I only see straight, not to the side. They make it so easy to not mess up jumping on rails.
Wee!
Wow, absolutely phenomenal
How
gameplay.
much effort are you putting into this right now?
Wait, why were there quick time events?
I don't know. I didn't expect to be playing, like, a quick time event. Can't think of a joke.
Good one.
Wow, I like that you don't destroy robots at all in this game. And why are they not Eggmans? Are they Eggmans robots?
I have no idea at this point.
Are they just robots that are chilling out?
I can ring dash
How?
by shaking the Wii remote.
I'm gonna be
Just
honest,
like I do
Seb, your
everything
your
else.
Sonic tech is so garbage. You do.
Thanks,
I think
Dom.
you need to. You need
Yeah, let's do the tutorial again.
redo
Yeah.
tutorial.
I don't think you understood the Sonic drift.
What? Why you just gotta stop? Oh, I ran out of coins. Rings. Shit.
Coins?
What are you playing?
What game is this?
Mario.
You're right, you do collect moons.
I got an item? What?
What? Can Sonic put on accessories? Like, can I see him put on a funny hat?
I hope so.
Kathy's actually in this game.
Yeah. Yeah.
The next Sonic game is
another item? Like, am I gonna get banana peels and like...
oh my... Are I gonna get a new go-kart attachment? Like, what the fuck is this?
Paraglider? I can use a blue shell on the ring at the end for the level.
You use the blue shell and Eggman.
Yeah, it just instantly beats the game. Oh, shit. I'm too fast. Oh, it's gonna stay with me. Cool.
Yeah, because you wouldn't have known what to do either way, right? You would have just taken the hit.
I'm glad I don't have to hold forward.
Yeah, he actually just put down the controller.
Whoa. That's crazy, dude.
Absolutely phenomenal. Aren't you glad we played Sonic?
Dude, this game is so good. Now it's our turn to attack. Why are we taking turns? This isn't a turn-based RPG.
This is a turn-based RPG, you didn't hear?
Oh my lord.
Oh, wow. Oh jeez. Hey, how do series on this
I pressed
game...
the wrong button.
How do series on this game usually do?
I don't know. Why?
I feel like we jumped into the wrong market.
Yeah. You guys wanted to see it, though.
I was interested.
I'm interested, too. I've never played it.
You know what? This one might be a little more condensed.
Yeah.
Because I don't know how much of this I would want to watch.
I'll play the whole thing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I'll play the whole thing.
The whole game?
Uh-huh.
Could we at least like take a break with another game in between?
I'll play the whole game.
No.
Yep.
What?
Mhm.
Play 2 games at once.
Mhm.
What?
We gotta go play 2 games at once.
What other game are we playing?
Well, we gotta start a new one now. You WarioWare.
Shit, yeah, you're right.
I missed the ring. I should purposely get a B.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
You fucker!
I was gonna crawl around it. God damn it. What was...
Yeah. I did it. I only collect moon tokens when I... What? Secret illustration?
What?
Please tell us you like... It's like the game is asking for validation. It's like, you like
Next
playing
one's
me, right?
Leave a review.
You love our app? Give us a review.
Should we do another... Collect 100 rings?
What?
Okay.
Easy.
I wanted you to jump over all of those and just not get them.
I want to play this game as little as possible.
What do you mean? What's wrong with this game?
No, you're right. This game's great. I play the games. Like, the thing is, we're starting off with the worst Sonic, so you know what? At least
It's only gonna get better from here.
Yeah, at least we're getting this one out of the way, and we're not playing Sonic Boom.
Are we playing Sonic?
I don't constitute that as a Sonic game,
Why aren't we playing Sonic Boom?
because I don't constitute it as a Sonic game.
You're going the wrong... You're literally breaking the rules
And
of
I'm
the game.
getting money.
You're breaking the fucking rule. There's like 2 rules of Sonic. Go forward and hit robots.
Smoke crack.
Yes.
Oh.
You're about to learn. Like that thing right there.
I messed up at quick time.
Woman.